Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever tried to withdraw money or make a payment only to find out that part of your balance is on hold? Frustrating, right? In today's video, I'll explain what a bank hold is, why it happens, and most importantly, how to remove a hold on your bank account. A hold on your bank account means that a portion of your money is temporarily unavailable. Your account might show a certain balance, but the held funds cannot be used until the bank releases them. This can happen for a few reasons, which we'll discuss next. Here are some of the most common reasons why banks place holds on your money. First would be check deposits. If you deposit a check, the bank may hold the funds for a few days to ensure it clears. Large deposits. Banks sometimes hold large amounts, especially if it's an unusual deposit. Suspicious or unusual activity. If a transaction seems suspicious, your bank might freeze your funds for security reasons. Merchant holds. Hotel, gas stations, and car rentals often place temporary holds on your account using a debit or credit card. Legal issues. Your account could be frozen due to legal actions like court orders or unpaid debts. The length of a bank hold depends on the reason behind it, and here's the general idea. Check deposits takes up to 1 to 5 business days. Large deposits takes up to 7 business days. Merchant holds typically takes around 24 to 48 hours. And fraud or suspicious activity takes until the bank completes its investigation. Legal holds is indefinite until legal issues are resolved. If you're dealing with a long hold, let's talk about how you can remove it. So if your money is on hold, here's what you can do to speed up the process or remove it completely. Contact your bank. Provide additional information. Ask for an expedited release. Wait for the hold to expire. And dispute unauthorized holds. Resolve legal issues. And that's everything you need to know about bank holds. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions.